This is Steve Williams with the Real Debt Solution, making another update video about helping you and showing you some strategies to get out of debt. Right now, as we speak, it's August 8th, 2011, and the Dow is down over 612 points, and it looked like it's going to close at 634 points below. And everybody is panicking. People are jumping out of windows. People's retirement accounts are being eaten up. And I warned people about this back in 2007, and I took action. My wife and I, we took all of our money out of the market. Right now, the stock market is one of the biggest Ponzi schemes that's out there. We heard it from Bernie Madoff, and we know that those guys that are in the game, they make money when you lose, they make money when you win, they make money when you buy, they make money when you sell. You need to focus on getting into businesses or investments with other people that you trust and that you can see your money grow actively. Because if you leave it with these folks, they're going to end up having you with no money when it's time to retire. Now, uh, I was on a podcast the other day, and a guy was asking a lot of questions about how you can get out of debt, and he had some really good questions to when I was saying, well, people should get out of debt, and he said, well, I'm not thinking about getting out of debt. I'm thinking about making more money to get out of debt. I'm not thinking about putting together a plan to get out of debt. And I told him that, that sounds good, but when you really think about it, the problem with that is most people, when they make more money, they end up spending more money. And we see that with our government. We see that with everybody. I've done it myself in the past, and you probably do it. You get a better job, you upgrade to a newer house or a bigger house, have a better car, higher balance credit cards, and all of a sudden you're either spending exactly what you're making with your new income, or some people even spend more than what they're making. So the way to actually get out of debt is not to focus solely on earning more income. We always want to earn more income, but it's to balance the budget of and budget the money that you have now, so when you earn more income, you don't end up making that go towards new debt. And your strategy should be to start getting out of debt with what you have right now. Figure out that strategy with all the new money that comes either from a better job or from saving money from budgeting. That money is to be put aside for either retirement or to help you get out of your old debt, but it's not to make new debt. And then another person asked, why should I even worry about getting out of debt? Why don't I just let the debt just linger there for forever if it has to be? Because when you're in debt, you have all types of stresses that are on you. You shouldn't be worried about paying the light bill. How we're going to come up with extra grocery money if the car breaks down? How we're going to pay for that? School's right around the corner. How are we going to get the kids school clothing? When you're in debt, these are all the problems that tend to keep happening over and over and over again. It's because when you don't have a lot of money, these types of things start to happen to you, and we see it all the time with the frustrations of families and they're breaking up. And also another big thing is that it can cause health problems when you're worried about paying your bills and you're struggling. You can have heart problems, all stomach ulcers, all types of problems, headaches. Also, your performance at your job also goes down because you're under so much stress. You get into this vicious cycle of getting up, going to work, and you probably don't even like the job that you're going to, but you have to go there because if you don't get that income, everything will just crumble. So the best situation for you is to start working your way out of debt by budgeting your money, putting together a plan to get out of debt, and then you'll see that your stress level starts to go down. Another question that came up was, okay, I've read books and seen all these different ways to try to get out of debt, but it just doesn't make sense to me. And also, I'm so busy. Is there some type of tool that's out there? And that's where my company comes in, is that I've put together a tool as if you were right in front of me at my office that will show you exactly step by step from walking into the door all the way to being 100% debt free, and then even take it a step further than that, which will help you have millions of dollars in the bank if you choose to follow my plan for investment in the bank for your retirement. And this could be done in a short period of time with without any risk really if you just take a look at what I had to offer. So I invite you right now not to panic and be like the other people. Right now we know that 95% of the people on this planet in the United States is going to retire with not enough money. They're going to be suffering. They're going to have to depend on family and friends to make it. 5% of the people are going to have plenty of money. They're not going to struggle. They're going to live a very nice retirement. And some of these people are going to retire in their 40s and 50s. Which group do you want to be in? Right now, there's going to be two groups. But it's up to you on which group you want to be in. Do you want to be in the one that's going to be struggling for the rest of your life, or do you want to be with the one that's going to get out of debt and then start building wealth for yourself and for the rest of your life? So I invite you to go to my website, nomoredebt2011.com, nomoredebt2011.com, and watch a demonstration video of this incredible tool that can help you become 100% debt free.